Introducing the BMW X2 xDrive 30, the latest addition to BMW's electric vehicle lineup. This compact SUV boasts an impressive range of over 300 miles on a single charge. With 286 horsepower, the X2 xDrive 30 accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 6 seconds. Equipped with an 80 kilowatt-hours battery pack, the X2 xDrive 30 can be charged to 80% in 34 minutes. Charging isn't terribly quick. BMW claims a maximum of 130 kilowatts DC, though the small-ish battery means that a DC fast charger can get the X2 from 10 to 80% capacity in just under 30 minutes. Given the X2 will be marketed near the bottom of the Bavarian automaker's portfolio, BMW hasn't announced any pricing yet. This could be a cost management decision. The onboard AC charger peaks at 11 kilowatts, and BMW says that should get you from 0 to 100% in around 6.5 hours. Featuring a sleek design and BMW's iconic kidney grille, the X2 xDrive 30 is sure to turn heads. Inside, you'll find a spacious and futuristic cabin, complete with cutting-edge technology and connectivity. The X2 xDrive 30 comes with BMW's latest infotainment system, featuring a large touchscreen display and voice control. With a release date set for early 2024, pre-orders for the X2 xDrive 30 are now open. This electric SUV is part of BMW's commitment to sustainability and reducing carbon emissions. The X2 xDrive 30 is expected to be priced competitively compared to other electric SUVs in its class. The coupe-like silhouette offers a sleek roofline and impressively low wind resistance at 0.25 CD, identical to most trim levels of its i4 electric sedan. Rear headroom probably won't be a strong point for the X2 with its low 1,560mm, 61.4 inches, profile, but it rarely is on these compact CUVs. It's probably better to think of the X2 as a lifted hatchback, not a small SUV. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the Downtown Review you dig.